What's up guys, welcome to this POV review by AutoTopNL. My name is Max and today we are here at the Autobahn with this Audi RS3 Sportback. And we've already done a review on the RS3 sedan, of course. So today is going to be mainly about this car on the Autobahn, because last time we weren't able to drive it on the Autobahn. So if you want to check out that review first, click up here and then come back for the Autobahn part. So I am going to do a quick walk around to show you the spec of this car. Nardo grey, very cool. I think this and that blue we had before are the two coolest colors for an RS3. We've got those black Audi Sport wheels, which are pretty cool. Quattro sticker, which I really don't like. And we've got ceramic brakes at the front. 255 tires at the front as well, and I believe 235, yep, on the rear. So wider front tires than rear tires. An Audi RS Sport exhaust, which sounds incredible. And let's take a look under here, because there is the new 2.5 liter 5-cylinder engine with that aluminium under block, so that's 26 kilos lighter than the previous 5-cylinder engine, which is all right above the front axle. So that is really good, and very cool engine with all those carbon fiber details, RS logo, red stuff. Yeah, it's cool to look at. So let's take it for a drive. Oh, it's really cold. Let's start it up. Nice burble there. Okay. Let's put it in sport. And yep, let's go. That's it. Alrighty, we have it in sport already. Traction control in sport as well. Launch control. Oh man. Woo! That's 4.1 seconds to 100 kilometers an hour. As standard, it has a top speed of 250 kilometers an hour, but if you go for the RS Dynamic Pack, Performance Pack, whatever it's called, it has a top speed of 280. So we're at 270 right now. Wow, it's really stable. 280. 83, 4, 5. Brake. Lovely ceramics there. You do have a bit of wind noise. Is my door not closed correctly? Okay, so even in dynamic with the suspension at its firmest, this is really nice. This thing is quick. Holy moly. Oh. And of course we put down the rear seats for some extra sound in here, which is, you know, the biggest reason to buy this car. As I said in the previous POV review, you buy this engine with the car around it, and every time I drive this car I think, well, they should really never get rid of this engine because it's such a gem. And it fits a hot hatch really well. Oh, very nice. Okay, so let's turn around here. I'm going to check if my door is closed correctly. And it actually was. Oh man! Of course, we've got that quattro four-wheel drive system, which makes this sort of the king of the bad weather. Let's open the windows for a bit. Oh, that's nice. And because of that much lighter engine, it also suffers less from understeer, which was the biggest problem of this car. But this is what Audi RS models are made for. Blasting down the Autobahn. It's just so comfortable, so fast, so safe, so easy. I mean, you just get in and go fast. Oh, this is lovely. What a lovely car. There's no drama, and of course that's a good thing on the Autobahn. It's a bad thing when you're on a super cool mountain road or something like that, when it's dry. Then you'd want something like an M2, but I think, you know, this is a lot quicker than an M2 on the Autobahn, and of course in any conditions except perfect conditions, this is going to be quicker as well. Oh, cruising along at 280 kilometers an hour in a hatchback. Insane. I think, you know, this is probably the best hyper hatch you can get to use every day. It's just plug and play. You just get in, you have that burbling exhaust. I would recommend anyone that's interested in an RS3 to get that exhaust because it sounds really good. Those ceramic brakes, you know, because we drive a lot on the Autobahn, I would always get ceramic brakes. And I think also on lovely B roads and stuff, when you really start pushing a car, braking hard, I mean, it's still 1500 kilos, this car, so when you start braking hard and with short intervals, steel brakes are going to fade. So if you have the opportunity, go for ceramic brakes. In here, it's a nice interior. I really like this steering wheel with Alcantara. That's really nice. Hello, doggy. Yeah, and of course, when you drive this car normally just around town with those exhaust valves opened in sport mode, in dynamic mode, it just sounds so good. It's so messy and burbly, and yeah, I love it. I really hope the next RS3 will also have a 5-cylinder, but I'm not so sure. Okay, here we go. Tunnel. Ah. That S-tronic dual clutch gearbox is very quick on the upshifts. It can be a bit laggy on the downshift sometimes, but that 5-cylinder sound is just, it's so recognizable, and it sort of sounds V10ish. Oh, lovely. Okay, so there we are back at the gas station. Lovely little drive with the RS3. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can check out an Autobahn POV of, let's say, an M2 up here if you're interested. And you can also check out an Autobahn POV of this A45 AMG. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. You can subscribe by clicking on the little icon in the bottom right corner over there. And you can follow us on social media. Just search for AutoTopNL. Thanks guys. See you at the next one. Bye.